abanye abantwana nawe akuko konke mntanami bengenzela ukuthi ukhule kahle. Kuko konke mntanami bengenzela ukuthi ukhule kahle. Ufane nabanye abantwana nawe uqhube kahle. Yize ngaphelele ejele ngazama angahluleka mntanami. Kumanje ngisibona ngisikhula ihluleki. Angazi nokulala utho ngikhathazekile. Futhi lapha engikhona noma wakho ngabe dlile. Ngazama angahluleka mntanami. Kumanje ngisibona ngisikhula ihluleki. Angikwazi nokulala utho ngikhathazekile. Uthi lapha engikhona noma wakho ngabe ngidlile. Hayi ngiyangitshena athini kuko konke mntanami bengenzela ukuthi ukhule kahle. Kuko konke mntanami bengenzela ukuthi uqhube kahle. Ufane nabanye abantwana nawe uqhube kahle. Yize ngaphelele ejele. Sanibonani anginakile ukuthi senifikile. Topic of the day, conversation of the day. Yabo, ile ndaba yalama 130 immigrant asuke ePalestine esisanda kwa-welcome. Yakhumbula ngathi nini? Angikhumbuli, sengikhohliwe. You forget easily, mina I don't. Lalelani. We as South Africa just accepted 130 immigrants, right? And lama immigrants avumeli ukuthi abe la eSouth Africa. Kasho ukuthi ngisebenzisa ifoni yami nje, ifoni yami isechajeni. We-West. Okay. Now listen, topic of the day, njengoba ngisho. We are discussing the 130 immigrants. Lawa who have just been welcomed like South Africa. Ehlike ebhanweni. Yabo. Now, listen to me. Ulalela? Okay. Lalelake. A few days ago, let's connect the dots. A few days ago, 130 Putumtala, it's 130 because Lawamani, I think 20 of them decided to spona no, bazoqhubeka baye la ebebefuna ukuya khona. And then kwasekuSala 130 abathi bona no, thina sizohlala la eSouth Africa, nala eSouth Africa sabamukela Jesu, sabamukela simakade, sabamukela Moncwele, sabamukela. So let's connect the dots kancane before ngivula everything to panel. Let's connect the dots kancane. You remember lento ekade yenzeka eCape Town ukuthi bekade kuloku kufika base-Israel. You remember amabhanuya befika, right? Okay. Now, do you also remember yonke lento eyenzekalile in the past few days? Do you remember ukuthi besoba nemarch? Do you remember ukuthi kade ngiloye ngithi mina kade ngiloye ngisho into eyodwa. Yes, because lento sizoyidiscuss. Mina I've only been saying one thing. Since isithi sifuna ukumarcha, since isithi we want change, we want izinto to be better. Nazo ke sis now you see it. Yabona sis manje uyabona la ngiyakhona. Lalela, I've only been saying one thing mina mntomyami. I've been repeating lento since nina beniloke nithi siyomarcha ngomhla kathize, siphinde simarche futhi on this other day sizomarchela u7 rand to $1, sizomarchela i-GBV. I've only been saying one thing, call it distraction ezofika. Ayifikanga? Was I wrong? Was I wrong mntomnyama? Was I wrong mntomnyama? I wasn't. nayi i-distraction isifikile. The whole country is going to be focused kulama illegal immigrant awu-130 afikile. I guarantee to you imashi isiphelile. Yabo lento izokhulunywa kuze kushaye uJanuary. Angazi, ngiya-estimate kuze kushaye uJanuary we will be speaking about lento yama-immigrants lawa afikile. Izobe kuphushwa yona kakhulu ku-social media, kuzobe kuphushwa yona kakhulu kwi-TV. But understand one thing, it is all a distraction. Ngishilo, I told you, Smakade, I told you ukuthi njengoba nina as abantu abamnyama you are so determined to change i-situation yethu. Njengoba nina abantu abamnyama you are so determined to bring justice to izinto ey'ningi ezenzeka eSouth Africa. They will do something ezoba i-distraction so that you forget. Nayi yona le lama 130 immigrants lawa afikile, into encane esolvekayo ngokuthi nje labantu laba batholelwe accommodation for isikhashana, and once be-ready bahambe baye la ebebeya khona ngoba bebene-destination abebeya kuyona. And it happened ukuthi bazovele beze eSouth Africa. Imagine usuke ePalestine, kukude ePalestine, nyazi imap kukude ePalestine, and bona nje badecide ukuzisa no i-distraction. But ke angivuli, anginifaki. That's all I wanted to say. Mina angifake mina-ke manje, mina sengifaka mina manje ngizwe ngani. I just wanted to say that actually I didn't even plan i-live. Bengifuna ukuzosho nje kuzo-announce ukuthi bengi-right. Bengifuna nje ukuzonitshela ukuthi bengi-right. Bengifuna ukuzonitshela ukuthi bengi-right.
100%.
Hey, kusawubona.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila. Bengithi ngizobatshela nje ukuthi bengi-right, isifikile i-distraction.
But I was waiting for it as well. Honestly, I was waiting for it as well. Like it was after lento Mbalula ayishilo, ngibonile lapho ukuthi khona enye into ezolenda enevele fikile OR.
Exactly. Fikile i-distraction. Abantu bazokhohlwa. They will forget.
Ngoba everything right now is centered around this Palestinian arrivals. Everything. Also means at least uyazama again poster about it and whatnot. He's actually the first celebrity to see him post ngendaba ye 17 nalena ye 21. The first one. You know how huge TikTok is?
It is, man.
So like for the fact Yoguti, he's actually trying to make a stand. It says a lot about his character. I'm sorry. Mara the Palestinian thing, I know dog. Konin the con. Who else then?
It's a distraction. I told you Gutierrez is a distraction.
Now we're gonna zero. It's in Pumelo Muntulo on Fagayo.
But Aya. Ongapumi. Aya, hello everyone. Hi Aya.
Yeah, Lungom
Aya. Yo, but Aya. Aya, I mean, can we not fix our issues? Can we not find love again? Why do we have to always fight?
No, we can't, because we've got too many issues here in the country already. We don't need more.
But I'm saying, can you and I not fix our issues? Because it seems like you have a hatred towards me, and
I don't hate anybody. It's the way usphatha ngakhona.
Kanjani?
You need to be open-minded. You need to be open-minded.
But failed.
Open-minded,
as in zero.
But I don't need.
I think today.
Guys, we can't be fighting amongst ourselves.
Okay, I'll keep quiet.
Dumelang. This is Auntie Millie speaking. Guys, we need to focus. We can't distract ourselves now, because as we are sitting here, a lot of distractions are designed for us to lose focus. and maybe as a form of, getting ourselves in line. And I don't like to hear you guys saying Mang hates me and what. We can't be divided by things that must unite us. And if we want the same things, if sifuna ezinto ezifanayo, we can't be fighting. So rather we say, Umili is probably strong in this view or whatever. Then we start to sort of like section ourselves according to what we are passionate about. And then we support each other on those particular platforms. U0 is one of the young men that is umuntu omdala. Like mina, I'm youth endala. I'm 46 years old. And when I look back at whatever it is that we've been doing over the past few years, I was very young when the ANC was unbanned and I was still a child. But nothing has changed for us because we've never stayed the course and focused on getting the results of whatever it is that we are doing. And once we are midway, we lose each other. You understand? So I don't want no one to leave this life. Guys, we are facing a time where our unity is our only option. Right now, if we polarize each other ourselves here, then we are losing this thing. Please, yo, my people, my loves. I love this country. I love the fact that as young people, you are here, you are vocal. But let us not divide ourselves. My message joining the U0's live now was, guys, let us get to what can Millie do and how can we help at that particular. If I am passionate about our people who are sleeping on the street, let us start making those types of programs and not depend on government. Let us start helping us. Let us start these movements where when we move, man, we move from town to town and we clean our towns. We do it because by us doing it, we are not focusing on the distractions, but we are focusing on what we want. So can I as umuntu omdala just say first, let us stop the fighting amongst ourselves. If we need a private room for us to say, okay, what is the issue? Let us ventilate it. Let us face this issue, go through it, solve it. And maybe if it is a misunderstanding, we find what is making us to misunderstand one another, and then we fix it. But please let us not fight. Nyakuthanda 0. I'm happy that you are here and that you are uniting us. And I want us to talk to one another and resolve things. If there's inkinga, let's face it. Let's say, all right, lenkinga si begala, and then we solve it. I love you guys and thank you so much for the opportunity to say something.
Thank you, Ma.
Mama Chacha, do you also love me? She left.
It's deep. I figure distraction.
Manje 0 angitshele mfowethu. Imali lena eye woman against what's it this gender-based violence thing. Yeah kuphi?
Angazi. I haven't actually given it time.
Ngoba people are donating and imali yakhona bazoyibona na lama victims walento le abantwana babo bazoyibona.
Movement has been receiving donations.
Like I've seen a couple of companies actually have been donating towards this movement. And imagine mina inting isibuza yona ukuthi ingena ku account yakabani.
Uthi Amanda goes to the organization. What organization?
Which one though?
Which one? My question is, people are donating to Women for Change. So, which means people are only helping women? What about the men?
No,
do men also not face violence?
We understand that, but where's the money going to?
What organization are they? It's a movement. I didn't realize it's a whole organization.
Men must also benefit out of that because men also suffer.
No, we understand that, Ritz. We're not saying that men don't
Not
suffer.
today, Reds.
Ubabo?
Not today,
So
Reds.
mina into engizibuza yona ukuthi imali iya kuphi? Is it going to the victims? Is it going where? Where's the bank account registered to? So ba investigate nje nabo. So niyeza u-zero content la. Niyazosibhora nini? Sifuna ukwazi.
Investigate. Mina angiyazi ngempela futhi mina ngiyitshesi nje i-movement. Bengazi there's a whole organization behind this. And bathola ama-donation.
Yeah, they're getting donations. It's like, okay, it was the first thing that I saw after midday today. So I'm shook.
Yini kama le organization? Ani ngitshela, I wanna know now.
Okay.
Yes.
No, I don't. I don't actually know, but I am planning. I submitted actually yesterday the application to March as a result of the call out, because I have initiated an organization 3 years ago. It's called Women Waging War on GBVF, Abuse, Inequality and Poverty, and no one funds us. Today what we spoke about was Women for Change is not actually linking with anyone in any province, because they're not speaking to any one of us, but they called a national shutdown. The last event that they had, it was at the Union Buildings. We drove to the Union Buildings from the Northern Cape to them there. But there's never been any meaningful contact, on the ground with the people. So I think part of it is to hold also each other accountable. You understand? It's not just because even themselves, if they get donations, it is public money that they must account for. That one I agree 100%. What I'm calling for is, let us create the circle and say, Women for Change.
Manje amadoda yena, why is this becoming so like
so
it's getting to
everyone oglento doesn't know bakiphi organization kahle kahle, even noma end up esekhangisa eyakhe organization instead of telling us ukuthi yibobani abareceive ama-donation.
They say it's Women for Change. That's what it's NGO owned by a German woman.
Women for Change. Is it a movement?
Yeah, so women.
Or is it an organization?
The Women for Change, the person who runs it is a woman. So
yes, we understand that.
Is getting all
Sabrina.
of those donations.
Is it an organization?
Listen.
No, is it
but it's an NGO by a German woman. Yeah.
So
yes, this guys,
so we're
you should
giving money
understand
to
that.
Isita.
Yeah, bo.
You should understand that. This
yeah, bo. Nah, he Zuma must fall foot.
you should understand that. You should understand.
I'm not against the idea around it, but ngisusele because of pure bliss ungitshelile ukuthi lento lena it's orchestrated. You need to understand it. It orchestrated lento le. And manje bengibheka nami ku research yami ngiyasho ukuthi no, lento lena it's too yabo, it's too organized. It's Sabrina.
Listen,
her name is Sabrina.
Listen, guys. This has been fabricated by the Western government, guys. That's why they created it to be held a day before the actual G20 meeting.
To show the incompetence of our country or what?
Yes.
I disagree.
Real.
No,
the
no,
march
no.
itself is
Hold
real.
on.
The movement is real.
And it's continuing.
Because sekuzekwavuka distraction ezokwenza abantu bakhohlwe. Fine. Kade khona imali. But if there's money involved, it means khona umuntu obenefitayo.
Yeah, sanibonani.
Sawubona bafo.
There's yabona lento this movement there's a lot of distraction that is going on, and then yes, I agree. Nami, I read kancane about this Sabrina person, but
yeah,
manje she just confirmed to me ukuthi vele this movement was started by a German woman, not a South African woman. So it's true. Very.
Ngoba thina
And
sikhona
then
I,
there's
ukuyenza.
I think you guys
yes,
no. I think you guys listen. You guys are out of order. Whether it's by umlungu or the timing of it or anything, the fact is that most
Not
of our
today,
women
Reds.
are
Not
going through a
today.
lot.
Oh man, not today. Not today, bro.
But
Yeah,
not today.
not today. Hayi namhlanje.
Muzwe zero ukuthi uthini shem mntana
Not
abantu.
today. Hayi, not today, Reds. Hayi namhlanje. Hayi nje namhlanje. Hayi namhlanje. I'm trying to figure out yonke lento le. I'm trying to.
yes,
Ngithi
and then
manje
you've seen
undocumented and siphiwe
yes.
imali.
Yes, and then you see one of the things is that you see I'm a Palestine. Do you see? You saw those Palestine people who just came today or yesterday. I don't
Yeah,
know.
it's all over TikTok, yeah.
Yes, it's all over TikTok now. But people are so brainwashed by this movement. They don't want abasa ngeneleli ukuthi kwenza abasanandaba ukuthi kwenzakalani. Sebadwele kulento le people movement. So that's one of the distractions.
Uyayiconfuse lento bhuti omdala.
No, you're confusing the two now.
Uyayimixa lento. Kahle buka. Vele the movement is positive. Kodwa phela sibona ukufana ngithi izongicorrect if I'm wrong. Vele the movement was gonna happen because khona 7 rand to $1, khona women for change. Eventually ikhona i-protest ebizoba nkulu ebizo-affect into ey'ningi le-South Africa bekumele yenzeke, including isenze sibuke siyibabi kubantu or this whole G20 thing ezokwenzeka, right? But then yafika i-distraction. Ifika manje i-distraction, which is lama immigrants asuke ePalestine eza la. Cause
And a zero.
yonke
Uyibheke ne?
ishile kubona manje. People will forget. Buka.
Uyibheke ke na zero ne? Le distraction ifike nini? Inini le imatch ye 7 rand to the dollar. Inini?
Exactly, sis Aya.
Thank you.
Wena uyayibona lento le.
Thank you. I know, Mamela.
Inge 21.
Yeah, no. The gender-based violence is on the 21st. Lena ye rand to the dollar is next week.
Mhla 17.
Friday. Zonke ezinye Friday.
14.
G20 nayo Friday.
No, asinandaba ne-G20. Ukabo? Ama-March lawa allocatwe ngama-Friday. Next week, iyalena the 7 rand to the dollar, right? And then the other one is the GBV one. It's also on a Friday. Now, what do you do to distract the masses from what's going on? Make it a week before the marches.
You get it. Finally, someone uyayibona lento. That's why I started the live.
This is strategically planned, and abantu bebangavuki manje angazi ukuthi novuka nini. That is my main concern, is that people need to wake up and smell the coffee. The media is pushing out propaganda, and you're eating into it.
Exactly. Exactly. Cause Uber no fundele ya flights cause allegedly bonke la bantu abalapha banamali. So who
Exactly.
funded the flights ezosuka le izila just in time ingakaqali i-protest ezo-affecta i-G20.
Aye, guys in.
Nina niyadlala nina nibone lento.
Hey, Queen.
Hi, darling. Sanibonani.
Hi.
Sanibonani.
Ufuna uku-add lapho.
You guys just stated the point. Into nje bese sicabanga, like, what is really going on? Like, okay, fine. But mina into engixakayo kuyo yonke lento abayenzayo. Who are we as South Africa to be busy giving refugee status to other nations while we are struggling on our own? Like, who are we? Why are we not dealing with our matters before we start giving other people a place to stay? We are still fighting for our own land. We are fighting for a lot of things. We are going through a lot as South Africa alone. But still, what is that? Because from what I'm viewing, like Israel, Gaza, like Palestine, they are fighting, right? It's a war. And everybody else is sitting back. Yes, we did put our support in whichever way we tried before. But at the same time, kwafika flight yokuqala, which was from Israel, landed in Cape Town. And now all of a sudden, there is another flight from Palestine, which is landing here. What are they trying to do? Are we supposed to be in the middle and be killed because we are defending two countries that are fighting? How do you put the same people who are fighting together in the same place?
No, utheni ukhlela umuntu abafethu. Utheni laba balana before shona. Utheni? Guys, this guy's prophecies are coming.
Guys, it's not as true as thina siyicabanga. Labantu laba, if they decide to fight in South Africa, because siyazi ukuthi they've been supported by bigger countries. Exactly. So if they decide to go to, okay, fine, you are running to SA and SA is giving you refugee, let's attack this. So wenzani thina?
And umbani Minister of Defense kanumsusi like yo.
And on top of that, Tina, as Africans, we are fighting the nearest African countries. So Balega City Siagupi, because they're gonna tell us you chased us out of your country to give refugee status to other people who are Asians, who are not even Africans. Yo. So how do you want us to defend you?
I know. I was anazo queen. I know. Well said.
They see it. They see it.
Sure. Yeah. Like it's a lot. It's a lot in here. Like yes, too, Sayon.
Minanje, I must just get myself a banka baby and leave off the creed.
And young Elenti Ikashi under the shield, ye gift of the givers.
Tabanga.
Who runs that organization?
Trusted NGO in the world. It was you or you.
I mean, like, I understand because here is Sudan. If they wanted to be like, okay, if Besfunubang saviors get in as South Africans, here are the black people. They are also Muslim. If they wanted to uplift our Muslims, here are Sudanese. They are Muslims as well. They are black. They are African like us. Why or let's say just take one side. Why are we taking both of them into the country? That's what's confusing me.
Hey, ngoba Mamela, I know. It's about to go there.
And since they're seeking refuge, why did they leave all the countries in the Middle East, in North Africa, and come all the way to South Africa? It doesn't make sense.
Why didn't they land in Egypt?
It's strategic,
all the North African countries. Why?
We are far away from them.
Yeah.
I know.
That makes sense.
Sanibonani ekhaya. Sanibonani ekhaya.
Yebo
Njani bekunene? Bekunene ngicela kusho lokhu ngesinqapho ngoba ngisendleleni lana manje ngidawugcina ngidisturba but leli hlelo lenu limnanzi. Kodwa nakulele ngifuna ukusho. eSouth Africa silive leli lingenayo umholi. Ngoba uma ngabe besilive lelinekade linomholi loqotho losebenzela sive sakubo. Yebo. Ngabe tinto tihamba ngekweprocedure lengiko. Inkinga yethu singumphakathi noma silive sigudi ekutheni uma basinikela ngemvo lethi zibani akasikahle unje sigudi ekutheni sibe sesiyabasupporta ngaphandle kokuthi sihlale phansi sithi lolo bathi sibani lolo bathi zero akasikahle ngako ngikuphi kwente njani wendeni yena uyabo inkinga yethu eqala leyo ngoba basuka bendela ukuthi bunengi bethu uma bunga concentrate ekwenteni kahle kwa zero si support zero then sitoba nemandla ekutheni sikwati kududula bona sinoma si-achieve leli sikufunako. Kodwa uma nangabe simamela bona lele bakushoko ngazero ukuthi zero akasikahle ngako kuba lula ekutheni thina nebunyenti bethu sihlasele zero nobe sinake lolo bathi zero akasikahle ngako futhi singakucwaningi kodwa simkhaphele zero esiphambanweni yabo bese siyekela bona balokhanjane bende lele bafuna kukwenda ngelive lethu nobe ngomnotho wethu yabo. So inkinga yethu iqala leyo funa sibe focus futhi sibantu labasha funa sibe focus kundlula itolo ngobe dinengi itinto letikhulunywako uma usima uyimamele ngasi manje lento ikahle isinike direction kanzi lento ayikho kahle iyasihlakata futhi isenda singayi empumelelweni kodwa sisebende 15 years sisebendela ukucrossa umgwaqo lo 100 meter yabo, bese like lento leyendeke manje ku-GNU bafake iminister lemhlophe ukuthi ayibe i-GNU yona icrossa le strati nge-15 second lesithini kusithethe 30 years ukusicrossa le strati yabo, and bese siyathula singabuthi ukuthi oh why wait, indzaba wena uthatha indzaba le system yale constitution iyamvumela lo ukuthi acrosse le strati nga-15 second, thine kusithathe 30 years solo asindluli ne-half meter yale strati ukuthi siye ngale yabo, masithi loku ngiloku inkinga lenkulu ema-GNOs la ku-country ethu enda aphikise aye etinkantolo asebenzise le constitution lesithi i-right kithi asebenzise yona kubukela thine noma kwentela thine phansi, bese lo munye umuntu makathi guys qaphelani loku yabo, sithi lona uyahlanya ufuna sisupport zibani kanzi sibani nguye lo sentela phansi, kanzi ena ngibo labasebenzisa indlela yokuthi sibone zero asentela phansi, kanzi ngibo labasentela phansi akusingu zero. So funa
abantu sebeyayilahla futhi again lento wesisaya abayiboni le distraction understand bayayilahla futhi lento because bayibuka ngendlela wrong. I don't know man. I think I feel ukuthi lama Palestine lawa who are eventually allowed to come into South Africa, lawo 130. That's all a distraction, njengamanje, because media is going to be focusing on. I told you, here's a distraction. I did, and I was.
How many people were on the first one? On the first plane? How many people were on the first plane?
Wasn't it how much? 160. Because I know Uti, out of the full amounts, only 20 decided to nope. They went on their way, and then Wasala 130. That means we have just welcomed 130 undocumented immigrants.
And I mean, the funny thing is that like these people are undocumented from their side, and they've got the audacity to come this side, and our government gives them special treatment. I don't understand the logic.
It's like that in South Africa. In South Africa, a person who is a foreigner is valued more than the South Africans.
No.
Which is why.
Sorry, Queen. Into one engcikayo ukuthi labantu laba ngoba manje indlebe yakhanya bona they must be given special preference. Mara abantu abagibela ama alligator la, not alligators, my bad, wrong continent. Abagibela ama crocodile bona bangena ngengunyathi, but they don't get this treatment. I don't understand, like,
because the same refugee status abafuna ukubanika sona, it's the same refugee status Zimbabweans and everybody else are fighting for.
Yo, I know, my man. I know this country, guys. No, guys, something's gotta give.
Exactly.
And I get no one ozokhuluma ngalento leyo nje kuzoconcentrate kulezi zinto lezi abafuna ukuthi bazibeke. Like, I don't even watch the news anymore because the news are literally just covering whatever that is going on. They don't even mention any of these things.
Yeah, I also don't watch the news. Don't worry, I don't follow propaganda. I stopped when COVID started.
Hello, Sis Lesedi. Hello, Sis Lesedi.
Hi.
Yeah, you can speak. We're listening.
Oh yeah, I already said I don't understand why they left all the countries in the Middle East, in North Africa, and came all the way to South Africa.
Steve.
It doesn't make sense.
Let's go, some girl. I think you haven't spoken.
Zero mfowethu kuhamba kanjani sanibonani nani kwipanel? Hayi umsebenzi wakho siyawulandelela Zero Bush, umsebenzi uyasiphaphamisa. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi kunama video engike ngawabona la kukhuluma ukuthi before kushaw 2030 kungenzeka kube khona impi yesithathu yomhlaba. Sengibona ngathi kusondele khona ke lapho. Ngoba nakho
phela roads are leading to 2030. Amekuzokwenzekala.
Nalokuthi futhi ngahle kungene nombuso wobumnyama lo ama digital IDs lo
digital IDs. Definitely.
IDs nama-implant ama-chip afakwe ekhanda khona sizokwazi ukusebenzisa amafoni without using izandla ziyakhala nje manje.
I-suggestion yami nje bengathi nje asibe iy'thupha zogwayi ne-Russia, be friends with Russia because Russia is more concerned of Africans unlike i-West.
All roads are leading there though. We don't know.
Thanks.
I'm saying we wanted to say something. Bonito,
Sanibonani kwi-panel. Lento lena mina ngokubuka kwami i-proof yokuthi o-government akasoze asilalela noma futhi akasoze asizwa. Uyasibona laphaya kwi-ground abantu balwa bodwa bayaxoshana, so yena udecide ukuthi azothi akazi basazo-investigate. Kanti lezi zinto esuke siy'bona ema-movini cause angaze ngiligibele ibhanoyi mayelana ney'ndaba zamabhanoyi, bebengeke yini bona base bathi nje cha alingafiki cause njengamanje siphakathi kwamabhomu. Labantu eCape Town abafikile akubona labade bebhomba labantu abafikile manje, and wonke umuntu indaba sifike sa-distractwa ile green thingy, so now sekuyilena-ke manje, and lena ifike ngesikhathi vele kuyisona efanele ngabe wonke umuntu uyaprepare ukuthi Monday ngomhla 17 ziyakhala. Bafethu uma ngabe kungavukanga muntu this time around because I can tell ukuthi abanye bayabona ukuthi kwenzakalani, abanye basabambelele kule nto leyo ukuthi maybe kusazodlula ilodi esibili le. Eyesithathu izofika isifika nani because le number esitshelwe yona kuyona akuyona inamba esitshelwe kuyona, lo 150 akusiwona.
Yeah. Probably more.
Mangakanani amabhomu nani afike naleli yabhanoyi nalawa ayefike nale yalodi esibili, while thina singenawo abantu abangasimela because the more sibona imisebenzi yamaphoyisa each and every day, it's a constant reminder yokuthi umuntu omnyama uyimela.
Yo. Thanks.
About Q, you want to say something? From Wales, is Queen and Mrs. I. Hi Q. That's so Q. Neo. So boy.
Hello guys.
Yeah.
Mr. Zero. Asibonge bhuti. You know, kuningi man, kuningi brother man, kuningi brother leaders. To era up kwinto le ethethwa nguswazikazi. I think guys, Tina, we are lost as a nation. I think we don't know what we want, or we don't know where we stand at. Yeah, because Monday we were supposed to be attending this thing of manipulation, dollar to rent. Angazi nokuthi ifike kanjani ukuthi sibe distracted ngaleyo ndlela le, in a way that we don't even want to look at one thing one-sided. I don't really understand ukuthi kuze kanjani. Who came up with this purple thing? I'm not trying to say it's a wrong, it's a bad thing or it's a wrong thing. It happened in a wrong time. All I can say, brother. Beka manje siza ngeyethu manje thina into eye green. Yabo, it's purple versus green. What about this thing ngokuya nge-17? I think into ezokwenzeka mina on Monday we may do the march and stuff, but it will be we like ngeke siyazi nokuthi it existed or not because of this thing yange 21. This thing yange 21 will distract everything. We will forget everything. Yeah, le siyenza le kufuneka siyenzile le yange 17, you see. And no Ramaphosa ngapha naye I think this guy is a puppet. I don't even wanna lie, bro, because uyisaphi le mali le ayilonileyo le. There's this money which was loaned. I think it's 700 and something million. Iyakuphi yona le mali le? I really think he is a puppet, brother. I don't wanna lie. There's a lot going on. I don't know what's going on. I don't know how we're gonna solve this. I think if we focus on one thing at a time, we can go somewhere, because we are awake right now. We see ukuthi this manipulation thing has been going on for a long time, you see. So I think if we focus on one thing, but we don't wanna unite, brother. No, siza ngento e-purple, siza ngento e-green. It's like
Leo.
we're fighting each other now, and it's wrong, brother.
Yeah, sivale ngophuthi uBongs. Then mase-ke welapha kwipanel yami. Bongs. Sawubona.
Sure mfana singiyabulisa ndodakithi. Zero wenkinga. Bengizama uphendula no-Neo man. uNeo like I think une misconception or misinformed malunga nendaba with regarding with the blue purple issue. It's not a march indaba ye purple. It's a boycott. It's something we can't really do one thing at a time. There's a lot of things that is going on. We have to focus on the Madlanga. There's a lot. There's a rand. We have to do all these things at once. Boom. But we have only one march, which is on the 17th. It was one thing that I was coming to just to remind the guys, please, wherever you are, please find a way that you will be there on the march, and try to remind everyone doesn't have TikTok that we have a march on the 17th. We are marching for a better future, for a lot of things. People will hear when they are there on the march what's going on. But with the purple thing, it doesn't interfere with the march, because it's not a march on the 21st. The ladies, it said that the girls, the women, our women are saying that are tired of GBV, they're gonna boycott. When you are boycotting, you don't have to go out. You just keep your money. We are just starving their system by just keeping our money and not supporting any business. Don't go to McDonald's. Don't go to KFC. I don't even eat McDonald's.
Yeah, good.
Ever since I found out that devil, evil person, he's the one that is running McDonald's. I never ever went to McDonald's ever again. We can't be supporting McDonald's, whereas Ramaphosa is the one who's subjecting us in this thing now. Because Ramaphosa, he's in this secret society. He's evil. That man is evil. That man, he knows everything that is going on. He's very much intellectual. You can hear when he's speaking. He's aware of what is going on. But it's just because of what he's sacrificing us for his getting whatever seat or whatsoever that is going to be getting glory, wherever he's going to get it. Because he is sacrificing us. There's no such a way that you can do this thing to your country without you having something else that you're being promised by whosoever. So I just want to clear this thing that the purple issue, we are just boycotting. We are boycotting. We are not going out on these. Wherever, if you are used to go to the club, you don't go to the club, you don't go to the restaurant, you don't go do shopping on that 21st. We just want to just keep your rent. Don't do shopping on that day. There is no march. The march is only on the 17th. Everyone, I even told my manager that I'm not coming to work on that 17th. That you must know, I am not coming to work. I have so many leaves. You can give me unpaid leave or give me whatever leave you want to give me, but I'm not coming to work. I'm going on a march. So please, guys, wherever you are, support that march. We have to stand up. It's now or never. Thanks, bro.
So this life was only meant to last isikhathi esincane. Mina, the message I wanted to give abantu, because abantu were flooding ama-DM abantu were flooding ama-comments ama-video asking Tsaibu, what's going on with le nto le yase-airport? Yabo. And then I just came from work a few hours ago, so ngacheka ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani, yabo. Then I was like, hayibo ama-immigrant afika lana wara undocumented wara. Then I was like, distraction le kade ngiyibheka, because I was waiting knowing ukuthi ngizoba nama-march amakhulu kanje namaningi kanje that are to come ahead. Njengamanje I knew ukuthi they will not allow into kanje to happen ngenxa yokuthi kusazokwenzeka i-G20. So they had to come up with a distraction. Ngiyababona laba ba-green, they didn't really make a big enough splash emanzini. They didn't make a big enough splash. Like it didn't hit ngale ndlela that it was meant to hit. So I don't consider it a distraction lento green. I don't even talk about it, right? It doesn't make a big enough splash for me ukuthi ngibize nge-threats. But since we are going to have the G20, I knew ukuthi they will come up with a distraction. So when I saw this whole Palestine thing, illegal immigrants that have flooded South Africa, 130 that have just landed and are about to be processed and become South African citizens, I knew this was the distraction that's gonna come. So starting from today going onwards, social media and basically anything, social media, the news, they will flood you with the information, with this information of these foreigners who need help, and by Monday, half of you that are so determined to go protest, you will not go because you would have forgotten. You will forget. Yes, you will. It's not that I'm against. Trust me. I'm sorry. Trust me. I'm not against the march. I am supporting the march. I am just telling you guys, Uguti, the distraction is here, and njengoba the distraction is here now, they will distract you, and half of you will forget. Let's say there are 10 people who are promising to come to the march. Let's say there are 10 people who are promising to come to the march, and then maybe 2 of them are not showcase, they are just supporters but not showcase which they are gonna come, and then because of the distraction you are about to lose half. This is the percentage you're gonna get. That means on the day of the march there will only be 30% of you. There will only be 30% of you that will go and actually protest. Why? Because a distraction has just been introduced. That's all I want to say. That was the purpose of the live, to just make you aware. I will even do a video to make people aware a distraction is finally here. And that distraction is the whole immigration Palestine thing. Distraction is here, guys. And social media is gonna flood us with this information. Ama-influencer akhona ama-influencer athanda uzenza ngathi woke, and bonke bazokhuluma inonsense, bazo-hater, abanye bazothi support, abanye will hate. A lot will be said about this. Just understand, just because there's a lot of noise doesn't mean that you have to forget the goal. Because the noise that's about to flood, that they are about to flood us with, it will make sure we forget what's actually going to happen or what we actually want. Guys, we are about to be flooded with a lot of information. Social media is about to make a lot of noise this weekend, because right now it's Friday. Kule weekend kuningi kuzobe kwenzeka social media. They will try their best to make half the population ikhohlwe about the march ezokwenzeka on Monday. They will distract you. I just hope most of you are smart enough to see the distraction. But most people are not like laba abalagwi life. Most people don't understand the distraction. Most people don't even know that the distraction exists. But it's corner and it's feel, and it's near. Why cut it live? They want it to cut it live because listen, cool. Zingikhuluma kakhulu. Let me athi ngibona if I don't know about the Wi-Fi. Izocisha nini but let me athi ngifaka abantu. I've said what I wanted to say. Ngisatisfied mina to faka abantu. Manje ngisengikhuluma until the Wi-Fi turns off. I don't really know when, but yeah, I'm ngifaka abantu. So one and welcome. Sawubona and welcome.
Bueno.
Yeah, so they're just giving us
Huh?
arounds this
If I what? No, it's the close is closed now. Is that close? Is that shop there? Yeah, that one there. You see Pep? That side of Pep.
So nje sizolibele sihleli nje la Gauteng singayenzi next kuba ngathi manje I think sizoba useless nje asikhuluma iqiniso.
What's in abanye? Anyone can speak. Anyone khuluma silalela. Anyone? Yeah. Hey, deep land. Angazi, I'm handing over life to anyone who khuluma manje. I've said what I wanted to say. This whole thing is a distraction. I just want to hear what you want to. Yeah, we can talk about it.
Understand if you imaphi ne yo like sisekela kule country for impilo zethu
Hayibo imali singakhipha hayibo abantu bangena babizwa ke bangena imali hey fathers son present dad don't nice
Zero niyaphila.
Khona sesinonduku hey khona nginakingile hayibo asawe great.
Hayi siyaphila thini siyaphila. Njengoba manje vele indaba sevele seyiphumile kunamavideo njengamanje asekhulateayo amaningi asavela sabisa abantu abamnyama. Lama video lawa asekhulateayo engikutholayo ku most of them ukuthi bathi imarch ayikho nje emthethweni imarch ayiapprovanga. So let me tell you Weziro ngivumelana nawe ukuthi this thing is a distraction. Le march lena izobukeka ngathi ayizophumelela ngoba abantu abamnyama bayasaba abafuni ukwenza into ephambene njengamanje nje even if bekuthiwa we are 90 over 100 people ebesifuna ukuya kumarch kodwa njengamanje I'm sure 30 people will go vele angeke basaya abantu because abantu sebayasaba already into mabathi i-against the law abantu abafuni ukuhlangana nento against the law bayasaba abanye basaba ukulahlekelwa imisebenzi abanye basaba ingozi ezowenzeka kuleyo march so vele ngokwami nami ukubona le march lena vele kahle kahle isikhanseliwe.
Yeah,
I'm going.
Maybe.
Mina I heard ukuthi
Hayi nami ngizobe ngikho.
I'm going. Come hello high water. We cannot be oppressed again.
Bye, no, Umaza. Yeah, ma, you heard something? Yeah.
ngizwe ukuthi uRamaphosa ukhiphe incwadi from eParliament eshoyo ukuthi le march le ezoba khona ngomhla 19 kumele ukuthi imiswe because ngathi izoqondana nebirthday yakhe.
Yes, nami ngizwe lawo
izophazamisa iG20.
Yeah.
La kuzobe kukhona nama Stellenbosch mafia.
Yeah, I also heard that.
Yeah.
Nami ngisho yo leyo nto.
Angazi bafethu ukuthi what is going to happen kuzokwenzakalani. I just wonder.
We must march. We must stand our ground. What happened to our heroes' spirit? Must learn bafethu.
Let me tell you something. Noma kungathiwa asilweni bafethu. Mina one thing engike ngayibona nje nesengike ngayinotice. Yabona when it comes to into mayingenziwa to other provinces, yenziwa only in Durban. Ayindawo lento leyo.
It's going nowhere. Ayindawo umsindo nje ongeke uze usize ngalutho. Uboka naka ama-march enzeka only in Durban. Awayindawo. Ma-march kumele enzeke in all the provinces.
If it's properly publicized, then it will happen.
Even if ingenzeka leya la eThekwini ayizoba nemthelelo othini ayizoba angazi noma uya-understanda noma ingenzeka leya la eDurban noma thina la eDurban singamatsha if iJoburg bathi no if eMpumalanga bathe no in the other provinces if ukuthiwe no thina noma singamatsha sizowenzani cause onke ama-march especially bo-Operation Tutula benzeka la eThekwini la kodwa akakaze ahamba ama-foreigners akakaze ahamba.
Yeah, because angeke sibanjwe i-province eyi-one cannot control wonke ama-province. Ngiyayizwa lento oyishoyo nama.
Ngiyabonga. Asisho
Ngoba
ukuthi
manje njengoba
asiyifuni imatch. Asisho ukuthi asiyifuni imatch. Siyayi-attend imatch siyayifuna but angiboni ukuthi kuzosiza.
Njengoba bengiqeda ukusho lana kuBafu Zero lana ukuthi njengoba bangayivumanga mangiqeda ukuzwa njengoba ngisho ngithi ngiqeda ukuzwa kuye uSisidube lo uMamdube lo oyenze le march lena uthi ayivunyelwanga in 2 provinces which is Gauteng neMpumalanga. La amanye avunyelwe kodwa khona imizila eshintshiwe kulawa amanye. It's not gonna be imizila le evestethiwe. So uyabona ukuthi njengoba kuyenzwa le nto leyo at the end of the day, it's not going to assist anything because Leo G20 yakhona ila eGauteng. If ever kungayenzwa izinto nala eGauteng, that means phela eGauteng will be a sell out of the country. Singayibeka kanjalo.
Ngiyakuzwa mina Nondo yabo. Ngiyavumelana futhi nawe sisikokuningi mfethu okuchiya. Kodwa ke bafethu unike notice ukuthi njalo uma kunalama agenda abawaphushayo ngo social media athinta izinto ezikanje kusuke kunezinye izinto abazenzayo bona la ezweni and futhi mfethu ezibenefitisa bona. Kanjani na yabo nje ngilinganise njengalento Operation Tutula ebiyenzeka la ukuthi siphushe abantu bakuzimu sibayise ngaphandle and sivulela isikhala abantu abasuka ePalestine. Namhlanje bengibuka ama-post nje amaningi athi sekunama refugees ako-Palestine ala and Operation Tutula bathula and ngithe uma ngilalela ispeech saRamaphosa namhlanje ngathola ukuthi uthe eyisho leyo nto ethi ubamukele wase mase sigoqa speech wase yaqala esekhuluma ngo-gender based violence ukuthi abantu besifazane bayahlukunyezwa and story. Lokhu okungikhombise ukuthi njalo uma kunento abayiphushayo ekugcineni babuye futhi basiqhathe sodwa singabantu abamnyama and abantu besifazane ngiyaxolisa ukusho lokhu. Kodwa-ke babuthakathaka esayidini lokuthi singamadoda isikhathi esiningi nike nisicindezele naney'ngane zakwethu ngazo iy'ndaba zo-gender based violence nani angiyisupport. Angisho ukuthi abantu besifazane abahlukunyezwe lokhu ku-wrong. Kodwa-ke into ekanjalo ayifuni ukuthi iphinde futhi icindezele wonke umuntu wesilisa omnyama la eSouth Africa ngoba singamadoda asifani. And manje uyabona njengoba sithi siya kwimarch imigaqo bafethu singayigxoba ayenzanga lutho imigaqo and umgaqo uyitiyela umgaqo fethu ngisho singawugxoba siphatha amabhodi sambe siyi-1,000,000 umgaqo ngeke uze uzwele bona uma bengafuni ukuthi basilalele akuyona indlela leyo fethu singalungisa ngayo izwe. Mina ngithi asiyilungise thina kuqala uqobo. Yabo mhla sayilungisa thina kuqala uqobo sathi-ke noma abanye bethu beyongena kuleyo mgaqo leyo bangene kodwa bama-clean souls belungile singathi sithi siyogcwala imigaqo siyadoyitoya kunama-hidden agendas angale kwalawo matoyitoyi thina esingawazi thola ukuthi sigcwele imigaqo nje ngala baphusha ezinye izinto zabo. Angazi noma ngisazwakala.
Sawubona Sunflower. She's been here. Hi. Sawubona. Ngisho umbone kuphela uhleze kuma comment. Someone? Hi. Yes, it's deep. I'm just happy with someone to Singenile and addressed this. It's very important. It needed to be addressed. Abantu needed to ukuthi bavuse baphapamise and see the truth. Sesiyobona manje, all roads are leading to Monday. So yesibone what happens now.
Even
But
if
kule weekend social media and news indaba. They'll be working very hard with this call. They'll be working very hard with this